Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to run our Java program in command prompt. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's create our Java program. Let's add our class and the class name. So we'll add our class name as a first Java program. First program. Okay, let's add our main method here. Public static void main. So remember, this is a entry point for our program, and string arguments if we are running anything from command prompt. Add our system.out.println, a user message, my first program. So we completed our program. Let's save it. So just Control S, move to your defined folder. For example, mine is Java, so we'll save with class name. My class name is first program dot java. Program saved. Let's open a command window here. Move to your folder location, like mine is D Java. We'll use javac to compile our program. Javac and the file name .java, and while running we only use the class name Java and then first program. See, our program compiled and executed successfully. We can see our message, my first program. So in this manner we can run our Java program from command.